The Winston Blue. Harry Winston purchased the largest flawless vivid blue diamond in the world and weighs 13.22 carats for the nearly 23.8 million at Christie's Geneva Magnificent Jewel Sales. The nearly $1.8 million per carat price paid for the 13.22 carat diamond represents the world record for the blue diamond. The blue stone named the Winston Blue joins the 101.73 carat Winston Legacy colorless diamond. Hutton Tiwani Jadeite necklace. The Cartier necklace is worth mind-boggling $27.44 million. The 27 Jadeite beads range in the diameter from 15.4 to 19.2 mm sizes, dating back to the early 1900th century. It was created by the Frank Woolworth as a wedding present for his daughter, a famous socialite Barbara Hutton, upon her marriage to Prince Alexis Tiwani. The necklace is made even more beautiful and more valuable by the diamond and ruby class. The pink diamonds are inarguably some of the rarest finds around the world. The Graf Pink is a rare 24.78 carat pink diamond, once owned by the American celebrity jeweler Harry Winston. The Graf Pink, the diamond mounted in a ring, was sold by the Sotheby's auctioneers in Geneva, Switzerland on 16 November 2010 at undisclosed price. The stone was expected to enter the list of top 10 most expensive diamonds in the world by selling on $46 million. It became the most expensive single jewel ever sold in an auction at that time. Blue Moon of Josephine. This diamond was bought in 2014 by the convicted felon fugitive Hong Kong billionaire Joseph Lau Leung Hang. He bought it for his 7-year-old daughter, Josephine, after whom he named the stone. It is 12.03 carats and cost the felon $48.4 million, the most per carat diamond of any color has ever sold before. The Blue Moon of Josephine, discovered in 2014, is another diamond from the mines of the South Africa with a rare crystal blue color when it was found in the rough by Petra Diamonds. It was 29.6 carat and hard to miss color. Incomparable diamond necklaces. Set on the bed of 18 karat gold are 407.48 carats of diamond that make up the incomparable diamond necklace. At the center is the largest internally flawless yellow diamond known, which is about the size of an egg. It is currently the most valuable necklace in the world, owned by the Moad, a Swiss and Emirati luxury goods company. Being sold for $55 million in 2013, the large diamond at the center of the necklace has a bit of unusual history. A young girl in the Democratic Republic of Congo discovered it randomly in the pile of the mining rubbles roughly 30 years back. Oppenheimer Blue. The Oppenheimer Blue weighs 14.62 carats, named after Philip Oppenheimer. It is vivid blue diamond with an emerald cut. This diamond holds nearly the same record as a pink star. It has been named as the largest fancy vivid blue diamond by the Gemological Institute of America. In 2016, it was auctioned at $57.5 million to the party, not released to the public. The history of the Oppenheimer diamond is largely a mystery, other than the fact that it was mined somewhere in the South Africa, likely sometime in 20th centuries early. Pink Star. Pink Star diamond is 59.6 carat, though it was originally cut from 132.5 carat rough diamond. It was mined by the renowned International Corporation of Diamond Miners De Beers in 1999 from South Africa. After 20 months of cutting, the Pink Star took its current shape. The Gemology Institute of America has graded this stone as the largest internally flawless vivid pink fancy diamond known to this date. Before it became the Pink Star, this rare gem was known as the Stemmens Pink, where it was displayed at the Smithsonian Institute of a part of its exhibit, The Splendor of Diamonds. In 2017, it was auctioned at $71.2 million to Chotai Fook Enterprise in Hong Kong. A peacock brooch. A peacock brooch made by the Graf Diamonds may not have quite as much history as the Hop Diamond, but its value is roughly $100 million nonetheless. It was first released in 2013 at the TIFAF Art Fair in Netherlands. The brooch, shaped like a peacock with fan feathers, contained a total 120.81 carats of diamonds and over 1300 stones in white, yellow, blue, and orange diamonds. A very rare dark blue pear-shaped diamond sits at the center, alone totaling about 20.02 carats. The heritage in bloom. Hong Kong-based jeweler retailer Chow Tai Fook released the gorgeously crafted diamond necklace, a heritage in bloom, in September 2015. Once released, it became the new most expensive diamond necklace in the world. The cost was $200 million in 2010. Chow Tai Fook purchased this pure type 2A diamond from the Petra Diamonds for $35.3 million and decided to make it a unique piece of jewelry. The heritage in bloom, a diamond necklace, took up to the 47,000 hours to make, and her owner, Chow Tai Fook, does not plan to price or sell it but to keep it permanently. The Hope Diamond, the most expensive and perhaps the most famous jewel in the world, is 45.52 carat blue stone known as the Hope Diamond. The current cost of the diamond is 250 millions. It is thought to be have come across from the Golconda mines of the southern India. It was bought by the French gem merchant named Jean Baptiste. It was cut and renamed the French Blue, under which name it was sold in 1668 by Tavernier to King Louis XIV in 1792. The French Blue was stolen from then and it has several owners, but eventually sold to the young socialist millionaire from Washington named Evelyn Walsh McLean in 1911. When she died, after undergoing many tragedies that are said to have come from the diamond's curse, it was sold to another gem merchant named Harry Winston in 1949. He toured it for the years before donating it to the Smithsonian Museum of Natural History in 1958, where it is still remain on exhibit. Please like and subscribe to Gem and Diamond channel and press the bell icon to get the new video update.